Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about the system that I use to air my tires down and back up when I'm going off-road. It's made by a company called UpDownAir. The main component is this air manifold which mounts in your engine bay. I also have their mounting bracket for my ARB twin air compressor. You can see a single outlet runs from the compressor and then into the top of the manifold. There's also an option to run the inlet into the side of the manifold if you need. Then on the right there's an outlet with a 3/8 inch line that I've run through the frame. And then you can see there are these little pass-through Schrader valves that you mount in each wheel well of the Jeep. And then I've run the rest of the line back through the body and through the frame to the other four corners of the Jeep. The only other component is 4 little pieces of 1/4 inch line, which I keep in a bag that comes with the system underneath my driver's seat. And it has these quick disconnects on each end, which you run from the Schrader valves which you mount on the frame to each tire. And that allows you to either air down or up all 4 tires at the same time. It's a pretty simple system. I really like it. You don't have to carry a lot to air down or up. And I'm going to show you how I use it. Alright, we simply remove the caps on our Schrader valve. Remove the cap on our valve stem. Set those aside. Sure that's on there nice and tight. Then we simply do the same for the rear. And you can see that for the back wheel wells, I mounted the Schrader valve up inside the body mount because I thought it was a good out of the way spot. Then we just attach our quick disconnects. And then we'll go do the same for the other side, and then from there the pressure in all 4 tires will equalize and we can either air down or up all at the same time. And from there we just open our valve up and you can hear the manifold slowly releasing air. Then periodically you just want to close the valve on the blow-off valve, and then our gauge will show us where our pressure's at, and all 4 tires that are about 10 psi right now. Then when you're done for the day and you need to air back up, all you have to do is turn on your compressor and you actually adjust how much pressure you want in your tires with this little valve on the top of the manifold. Alright, and now that we've dialed in our pressure to right about where we want it, I keep my tires at about 28 psi. We can turn our compressor off, and we have now filled all 4 tires back up to the exact same pressure in about, I would say, a little under 5 minutes of time. The last thing we need to do is remove our quick disconnects, put our valve stem covers back on, and then we're ready to go home. Alright, as always guys, if you like my video, please feel free to help me out with YouTube's algorithm. Hit the like button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get updates for the new videos that I'm putting out weekly. And then, of course, always feel free to subscribe. Alright, you guys take it easy.